What we got here, Dan, on episode 6?
The Wrecking.
The what?
The Wrecking.
The Reckoning. No, we got a big car, and we got these big hands. Let's open it up and take a look.
Let's get these hands.
Just get these scissors.
Here.
Let's take a look at the back. What's on the back, Dan? Leave my scissors.
Nearly hit me like 5 times.
There's a floating piece of car. Oh no, wait. Is that John Cena? I can't see it. What else? The Shield. And Samoa Joe.
Oh, the Shield.
Just kicking about in public in his gear. Here we go. Let's open this up.
Stop waving these scissors about. That's not safe.
They are the safety scissors. They must be safe.
They are not safe. We're living in a fight.
Shh. Stop talking, Dan.
No. I'm gonna come over this side. This side.
Here it is. Car goes boom.
Windshield goes break.
It's all gonna fall to bits.
You broke the bit.
Oh my god. I think this will be funnier if I move these out the way and watch you have a disaster. Go, Dan.
How do you work these things again? Bring it over here so you can see it. Alright, so. And I've already broke it.
Oh my god.
Scissors. But you don't cut yourself.
Boop.
Boop goes the weasel.
Broken. In fact, let's do this. Oh god. I hate these things.
I hate them too. Why put it on it? I know it's so the cards don't fall. Still can't believe it was a floating piece of car. That's kind of crazy, eh?
Crazy.
Ooh, you already broke the hood. Right, there's a...
The car door goes on. This is going to be such a pain.
And
Oh my god. Stop it.
I'll put the
There we go.
I'll put the windshield on.
You do windshield. I'll get Braun.
What Braun? We have 2 now. We have an elite and a basic. Broken.
Us here. PFW don't worry about getting these hands. We worry about getting these figures.
Do I pass you over another figure a power bomb?
What'd you make of the car, Dan?
I think it's really cool. Surprised the bumper never came off. Or I think no, the back bumper doesn't. But
Oh my god, Dan, you done it so bad.
you do it. You do it. I'll pass you this man. Run this man over.
In just a moment, we will have Shane driving the car. And here he comes. Jeff Hardy gets these hands. Oh, that's cool. Now on the screen. Oh, and it all breaks open. It's so cool. Get off the car. It's like Grand Theft Auto. Whack him. Whack him. And then just tip the car, Braun. Tip it. Oh, fling it over.
What's this about?
Oh, we never took it off.
Oh, there goes.
Oh my god, the seats come out. Let's see what breaks off, Dan. Oh, everything. Even the walls broke off.
Wait, there. Pass it real quick.
How do you open this? I think I've not done this correctly.
Lift it up.
Let's see. Yeah.
So we're missing something else.
Does this come off? Yeah, it all comes off. The front also comes off.
Upside down. Bumper.
So what'd you make, Dan? What'd you think of this?
I think the figure is really cool.
Is it as cool as the other Braun?
Are you really gonna go try and hunting for
Nope.
the other Braun? Good. It's weird not having shoulder joints. Like swivel here,
Yeah, it's not an elite figure.
like you thought.
It doesn't articulate very well. However, neither does the real Braun. But the car, Dan, was a car worth it?
Yes. Alright, let's try and...
Let's see how long it takes Dan to put the car back together. Dun, 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 dun.
Can you stop? That's making it more irritating. English. English, Dan. There we go. Now let's put the hood on. Go on.
Hurry up, Dan.
Boom.
I will have a timer on this so we can see how long it takes you.
Now you won.
Ooh, I will. That's fine, it's close enough. You broke the set, Dan. This took minutes to build.
Settings. One door. This door's not as easy.
Oh God, you're taking ages.
Not as long as a table. Because every time you put one thing on it, something else came off on the table.
What are you doing?
Going for the piece. So I can clip this on.
Nice. Those clip together.
I think I established that. Don't even think about it.
No. Excellent, Dan. What a good job. Let's take a look at these figures. So that's Brood. Oh no. See you next time on PFW.